Hey guys, welcome to Internet Snack of the Day.
Who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. Okay.
Shut up.
Butterfly Bentley.
Нет, это не...
What the hell?
Monty, no, honey.
A-R-A-K-G-G-T. Penguin.
Andy Williams can't get used to losing you. Which dog? The Memes, the English band, covered, didn't they? That's where it comes from. Which runs through the song.
Stop shorty, said I need about 40, pull up to the party.
Prop and make it an entertaining shot. So we're going to take Jesse Q and hey, I didn't dog the shot.
ほう、向かってくるのか。逃げずにこのディオに近づいてくるのか。近づかなきゃ、てめえをぶちのめせないんでな。ほうほう。では十分近づくがよい。ザワールド、時を止まれ。もう遅い。脱出不可能よ。8秒経過。
Big black Australop cockerel, one of 500 birds that are being judged today at the show.
Take 7 steps back.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Pa, ha, pa, pa.
Benji, who's your best friend? 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 Pizza?
subscribe, and share, and leave a comment below on the next couple of videos you would like to see.